Hello everyone. In this series of videos we will discussing about list. Now let's discuss few things about dictionary. So how to create a dictionary? To create a dictionary is very simple. uh, for example, I want to create a dictionary, my dictionary, and in square brackets, a dictionary always contain a key, and against a key you have a value. So key and colon, then the value. For example, maybe I want to write a roll number of a student is, for example, 2021 TC01, and for example the class, maybe the department, and the department of the variable, department of the record is telecommunication engineering. For example, a student can be of any department, then comma, afterwards, for example, uh, university name, and the key is uni, and the value must be, let's say, the value of the value is quest, for example, in this case. And now if I wish to print the type of this my underscore dictionary, then you will see the type of the dictionary is, the type of this variable is dictionary. And if you wish to print the contents of this dictionary, you can do this, right? And if you wish to extract any particular value, you have to write key within my dictionary. For example, if you wish to print the contents of key uni, now you know uni is quest, and you will see the printed value is quest. Okay, and so on. So like, if you wish to change the value of any particular key, so all you need to do is write my underscore dictionary, and the key which you want to change, for example, department, and in this case I want to change the department to computer system. And if I print it now, print the value of my dictionary completely, you can see now the department has been changed to computer system. uh, so in this way you can do anything. If you wish to add an other thing, for example, if you want to add a new key, for example, country, then you can do that as well. For example, we are adding a new value to a dictionary. So for example, country name is Pakistan, and if I print it now, you will see in other key, and the value against the key is also created. It is not necessary that you must always write only strings. You can also write these values as well. You can always use integers and floats as well. So if you see now, the GPA is also there. Okay, so sometimes you don't want to print just value of dictionary in this fashion, you want to change it in certain fashion, so you can also do that. For example, you can use for loop or key value in, and then my underscore dictionary dot items, right? And then you can write print f string key equals to, for example, key, and value is value. So if I run it, let's see what is key is roll number, and its value is this one, and key is department, and the value of the key department is telecommunication engineering, key is uni, and the value is quest, and so on. So these are a couple of things that you can do easily. If you wish to see only the keys, then you can modify it as well. For example, if you wish to print only keys, you have to write my dictionary dot keys. If you want only values, my dictionary dot values, but then you have to change from two variables to one variable in this loop as well. So what am I saying? Let us see. For example, if you wish to come only if you want only values of the dictionary, you can always have them, because you are the programmer, you are the boss. My underscore dictionary dot values, right, and then print values. Now you will see only values shall be printed. But if you wish to compute, you are interested in only keys, then you can also do that as well. You can see only keys are printed. If you want to have them printed on the same line, you can also do that by using AND function, right? And I want a space in between, I will see. You can also do that as well. So this is how you can uh, use dictionaries. There are a lot of work you can do more using dictionaries. We will come to that, and also the list. So for dictionaries, I think this is enough introduction. I'm going to stop this video here.